Hello students, today we discuss about the hadathod and ramenta. These are the structure which are found on the plant Nephrolepis. So first we have discussed about the hadathod. So hadathods are mostly present on the end of the forked windlets on the upper sides of leaflets. As you seen in the plant Nephrolepis, at the upper sides of the leaves, at the end of these forked veins, on that point the hadathodes are present. So hadathodes look like the whitish glands, so they are known as the chalk glands. So this hadathode is present on the upper sides, on the or at the end of the forked windlets. The structure of these hadathodes are mainly composed by the epithelial cells and glandular tissues. So, in the hadathode, there are 2 to 3 layers of the epithelial uh, tissues are present, and they can enclose as the glandular tissue. You have to see in this figure. So outer 2 to 3 layers are the epithelial tissues or epithelial layers, and in that epithelial layers encloses the glandular tissues. So these smooth or polygonal glandular tissues are the functional part of the hadathode. These inner part of the hadathode, that is smooth all, and they are polygonal in shapes. So these polygonal glandular tissues are the main part of this hadathode. So these each hadathodes is present on the tip of the vein ending. So what is the functions of the hadathode? So main function of the hadathode is the guttation. So guttation is nothing but the loss of water in the form of water itself. So the main function of the hadathode is the guttation. So this hadathode is very important in the shade loving plants like Nephrolepis, so they can give out the excess water. In pteridophytic plant, most of the plants are the shade loving. So in that case, these hadathodes uh, play a important role. They can help to give out some excess water from the plants. Also, the deposition of salt like calcium carbonates takes place at the position of hadathode. So it gives the white color of hadathode, and therefore the hadathode is also known as the chalk gland. So why this hadathode called chalk gland? Because they can deposit salt like calcium carbonate, and they gives the white color to the hadathode, so they can, or they known as the chalk glands. Also the like stomata, hadathodes also gives out the water. Therefore these hadathodes is also known as the water stomata because they gives out the water. So this is the functions of the hadathode. So in short, this is about the hadathode. The next important part, that is the ramenta. This is also this is the structure of ramenta. In that you have to see it is triangular shape. At the sides there is the processes, and at the middle point there is the point of attachment. So where it is present, the ramentas mostly present on the cordax, stolons, rachis, and on the lower parts of the leaflets. So in they are brown scale like epidermal outgrowth. So it is ramenta are the epidermal outgrowth, and it is brown color. They are mostly present on the cordax, then stolon, rachis, and lower part of the leaflets. So how the structure of this ramenta? So ramenta is triangular in shape. ट्रायंगुलर शेप है इसका. The marginal cells gives out the hair like projections and that are called as the processes. The lower broader area has a dark brown spot through which it attaches the underlying parts. This dark brown spot is called as the point of attachment. So with the help of point of attachment, they can attach to the part of the plant. Each ramenta is the multicellular membranous and it is single cell thickness. The cells of ramenta are dry with thick brown walls. So in ramenta, it made by the multicellular membranous cells and they are having the single cell thickness. These cells are dry and thick brown walls. So this is about the structure of ramenta. Then functions of the ramentas are the protections. So they can provide the protection to the underlying parts from the excessive heat and water. They can also provide or retains the water to provide the humidity, because these plants are shade loving, they require the humidity conditions. So this ramenta will help to retaining the water for providing the humidity environment. So this is the functions of the ramenta. So in short, these ramenta are the brown scale-like epidermal outgrowth. These are present on the cortex, stolon, rachis and also the lower parts of the leaflet. Structure, it is triangular in shape. It is made by the multicellular membranous single cell thickness. These ramentums are dry and thick brown walls. The marginal cells gives out the projection are called the processes, and the lower border area having the dark brown spot that is known as the point of attachment. The functions of the ramenta is first one is the protection to underlying parts from excessive heat and water, and also they can retain the water to providing the humidity to the plants. So this is the two structure which are found in the plant of the Nephrolepis. First one is the hadathode. In hadathode we discuss about the location, structure and functions. So location, where it is present, hadathode. So hadathode is present on the end of the forked veinlet on the upper sides of the leaflets. These hadathodes is look like the whitish glands, so they called as the chalk glands. The structure of the hadathode, it is made by the 2 to 3 layered epithelial layer, and this encloses the glandular tissue. Glandular tissues are nothing but the smooth walled polygonal glandular tissue, and they are the main or functional part of the hadathode. So each hadathode is present at the tip of the vein ending. The main functions of the hadathode is the guttation. Guttation, that means they can lose the water in the form of water itself. So at the point of hadathode, these deposition of salt like calcium carbonate takes place. So they can use the color white. That's why this hadathode is also called as the chalk glands. Or sometime, they also gives us the water, so they can like the stomata. So hadathode is also known as the water stomata. Then next structure we have discussed the ramenta. Ramenta, it is brown scale like epidermal outgrowth, and it is present on the cortex, stolon, rachis and lower part of the leaflets. The structure of the ramenta, it is triangular in shape. The ramenta is multicellular membranous and single cell thickness. These cells are dry and thick brown walls. The marginal cells gives hair-like projections called processes, and the lower border area has a dark brown spot which is point of attachment. The functions of these ramenta is the protection to the underlying parts and also the retain water for providing the humidity.